These are the central air conditioners at my friend's new house. First time seeing them, don't even know if they're heat pump or straight cool yet. And you say the Payne is the first floor?
Yeah. Fire them up.
Oh wait, the Lennox is the first floor. The Lennox came on. Yeah, that's a good unit right there. It's made by Carrier, so that should last a long time. And there's Bear.
Bear loves these windows because he can see out of everything. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, I don't hear me.
Well, here's the ducks. I can fire up the wall too.
Can I include the commentary about Bear in the YouTube video?
Yeah.
The contractor? No, I don't think I have.
He would love to talk to you. He is brilliant.
Now, for some reason, I can't zoom in here. My friend's gonna turn on the Payne. Bear, come here. We'll get a much better video of these units when it's warm out. And again, I haven't even been out there yet. I just got here like 5 minutes ago. Brief startup shutdown. Alright. Let's go outside and take a look. Out. These are the furnaces. 80% efficiency. I'm pretty sure they're single stage. And this is the one that's still matched up with the Lennox. This is the one, it has a Carrier fan coil, or Carrier indoor coil. And this is the one I'm assuming is matched up with the Lennox, or the Payne. It's got a humidifier. Condensate pump. I'm guessing the small one is for the upstairs.
What's this?
Because if you turn you set it to off in the summer, because if you run the humidifier at the same time as the air conditioner, it'll freeze it up and damage it.
Oh, okay.
It's only meant to be used in the winter when the furnace is on, or if you have a heat pump, when the heat pump is in heat mode. So always keep that off when you're in the AC mode and turn it to on when it's in the winter.
Oh, okay.
But you got a humidifier. You got some nice stuff here. I wish I had a humidifier. Again, this is my very first time seeing all this stuff. Never been there. Here's all the ductwork. They are going to be finishing all of this off. So here's a nice look at all the ductwork before they finish it off. What the heck is with the graffiti over there?
I have no clue. It was there when we moved.
Poured concrete. That's always good.
Well, these walls are really thick, so.
It's nice and cool down. One of these ducts.
Yeah. What's that gonna do?
And you wire it to a thermostat. That way, when you're not in the basement, you can turn off the air conditioning to the basement. Because trust me, you do not want to close the vents in the basement to cut off the airflow. It can cause damage to the system.
I want you to meet somebody.
I'll be right up.
Okay.
All right, we will be back.
How's all that?
This is the thermostat for the
set.
Does it have EM heat? Let's see if it has EM heat. Because if it doesn't have EM heat, then it's not a heat pump. I think it's a straight cool unit.
Straight cool unit?
Yeah, is that a Focus Pro or a Vision Pro? I don't even know if that's a high-end thermostat that the air conditioning guys install, or if it's one you can get at Home Depot. Yeah. It's programmable, though. Can't believe you thought the burglar alarm was the thermostat.
I didn't know. I was like pressing buttons and I was like, oh, that's not the thermostat. I'll show you in here.
Alright. Yeah, that's the thermostat for the upstairs unit. That is for the Payne. This is my friend's backyard. Access to a private lake. Alright, first time seeing up close the central air at my friend's new house. condensing unit. Yeah, that's a straight cool. Lennox Total Comfort System. Yeah, this shouldn't be too easy to hard to clean. You just go over it with Windex.
Good?
Yeah, but this is, yep, 1995. The serial number confirms it. That's original to the house.
What's this Payne?
Serial number. Where's the 21st week of 2008?
This is pretty recent.
Yeah, it's about 4 years old. You can hear the dogs running around in the house. This is a 2.5 ton.
How do you know that? Does it say it?
Yeah, it says there's a 30 in the serial number back here, and it's a 13 seer. PA13NR. That means it's a 13 seer. When these die, I mean, this is a nice house. You should go put in a Train XLI or a Carrier green speed. But getting 2 Carrier green speed is going to set you back about 25 grand.
Oh my god. 25 grand just for air conditioner?
Go with the Train.
Yeah.
It's good and it's cheaper. Yeah, this is a 2.5 ton R22 refrigerant. It's got the TXV metering device, so that's a 3 ton, 36,000 BTU. So you got 5.5 tons of cooling.
Take a walk in front.
Hold on a minute. And where's Bear? Bear. Come here, Bear. Come here. Bear. Come here. What are you doing, Bear? Come here.
Oh, you can't.
Oh. But yeah, this is the these are the air conditioners at my friend's new house. Pretty good install in my opinion. Nice and clean, plenty of access to the surface access panels. Pretty unique setup of the line set, but I mean it's not like that other unit I saw where the freaking line set was in front of the surface access panel, so there's plenty of plenty of room to service the units. Plenty of distance from the house. Yeah, these both have R22. They're builder grade units. So that's for the second floor.
What would happen if these were in a flood? Will they still work?
Depends on if the electrical components got dinged. I mean, I've seen air conditioners with the water up to here. There's a video on YouTube. In Alabama, after Hurricane Floyd in '99, there was a Train package unit. The water was up to the fan thing, and it was still running.
Really?
It all depends if it hits the electrical components.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, these things are in drenching rains all the time. They're designed for that. I mean, if it were totally submerged, it would probably be trashed.
Yeah.
But most of the parts are sealed. If you just replace some of the electrical stuff, it could probably be up and running again. I mean, the Freon and all that's sealed.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're definitely not. They're at least you didn't get Goodman.
Good shit.
Good shit. Or Nordine.
Yeah.
Payne and Lennox are two of the better. And Payne is Carrier. That's basically a low-end Carrier right there. So,
Okay.
I mean, that's pretty much identical to mine.
Yeah.
Where's Bear? Again, Bear. Is he still out here? So how do you get to the lake from your house? Like, is there a gate?
Yeah, right there.
Bear! 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 I guess he must have went inside. Oh, there. Was he under the deck? Were you under the deck, Bear? Yeah, this is a nice house.
Let me see this, Charlie.
Whoa. Whoa, shoot.
Me and all of this.
But you don't have to mow any of that because it's out in the woods.
Yeah, all that.
Got a nice little stream.
Yeah.
And do you have to pay a fee to fish out back there?
No.
Is there an HOA in this neighborhood? Bear. So yeah, 3-ton Lennox and a 2.5-ton Payne. Wish I knew the SEER of the Lennox though. I'd say based on the age, it's probably a 10 or a 12 SEER. Lots of landmines back here, and by landmines I mean dog shit. Yeah, now my zoom is working. That was the weirdest damn thing. And this one has a scroll compressor. Copeland-Scroll compressor. This one has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Alright. Oh, did you just turn it on? Yeah, not bad for being 17 years old.
It needs to be clean.
Oh, that's easy. Though, I don't know for sure, but I think some of that discoloration there is because someone might have used an acidic coil cleaner and it took the paint off the fins. It won't affect the performance, but it'll look like hell. And I don't know for sure what that is. Yeah, on a nice day, just come out here with a hose. I mean, I'll help you clean it up.
Well, we have power wash.
No, don't use a power washer. That'll bend the fins and screw up the efficiency. You do not want to use a power washer on the condenser coil. All right, now I guess you do the Payne. That's a quiet air conditioner. And the house is public natural gas. You turn it on the Payne now? And I will make a video of the Lennox's thermostat momentarily. It's a really old looking White Rogers thermostat. Yeah, this house is almost 4,000 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 stories. Built in 1995. Yeah, so this is a 1995 Lennox home comfort system, 3-ton, and this is both at the same time, and this is a 2008 Payne 2.5-ton 13 SEER air conditioner. You remember that, the air conditioner symphony. You can kill them now. Very quiet. And that was the Payne. Alright, let's go take a look at the Lennox's thermostat. And that's a little bent out of shape there. Alright, inside now. This is the thermostat for the Lennox system, the first floor system, and in my opinion it looks a lot older than 1995.
Think?
Yeah, but I mean it has to be from 95 unless someone like took a thermostat from their old house that they liked a lot and installed it.
It's a White Rogers. I mean, you've heard of that.
I have. Is this programmable? Like what's that thing under
I don't know how you open this. Ooh.
Oh, it's fine. It's supposed to. This is just the cover.
Oh, okay. I was like, shit.
I can't believe it is a mercury bulb thermostat.
see.
Can't believe a house built in 95 has a mercury thermostat. Let's see if I can find a... Yeah, I don't know what the heck this little thing is right here. Maybe it is an old school programmable thermostat. Trying to find the serial number. Can't believe you actually have a mercury thermostat in a house that was built in 95. I'm thinking someone might have liked this thermostat so much that they took it from their old house and put it in here.
Oh.
That's just my guess. Can't find a year. Yeah, the upstairs one is like a new Honeywell. There you go.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Before.
Water damage in the furnace, it looks like.
That definitely came through the vents. It ran right down here.
Wonder if that shorted out any of the electrical stuff at some point.
I doubt, yeah, it's possible, but it looks like it kept running down, thankfully, instead of puddling, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why is that on? What do you have on? Do you have another thermostat on? Is there a second thermostat?
Did you do the one in the master bedroom?
I did not.
Yeah, this is the upstairs unit.
Let me check the dining. Let's check the dining.
Alright, he turned it off. I'm just wondering if this could be undersized. Because the outdoor unit is a 2.5 ton. I don't know how many BTUs the furnace is. Oh, alright. Here's the output. $60,000 BTU gas furnace. It says input 75,000, output 60,000. So it's a 60,000 BTU gas furnace. The smaller one is. And this one is a input 100,000 BTUs. And they drilled right through where the 80,000 BTU. All right, so that's an 80,000 BTU output furnace. So that one's 80,000, that one's 60,000. And the this one's matched with a 3-ton air conditioner. This one's matched with a 2.5-ton air conditioner. And you'll notice here that the indoor coil like matches up perfectly with it in terms of size, whereas this one is like this. And it may just be the way it's designed, I don't know, but based on what the contractor told us, this might be undersized. I don't know for sure, but it might be undersized. And there's the water heater. Bradford White. Energy saver. Gallons. 75-gallon water heater. Bradford White 75-gallon gas water heater. Alright, sounds like something interesting is going on upstairs, so I'm going to put these back together and go upstairs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If anything else interesting happens, I will film it. If not, again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.